An opening ceremony of the Canaries playing field was held on Sunday, May 26, 2019. In attendance were the Prime Minister of Saint Lucia, Honorable Alan Chasney, Parliamentary Representative for Ancillary Canaries, Dominic Fede, the past and present Chairman of the Canaries Constituency Council, officials from the Ministry of Youth Development and Sports, and other officials. Following the ribbon cutting, a Minister's 11 cricket match was played in commemoration of the opening of the Canaries playing field. Veterans and youth football matches were also played on the field. Honorable Fede says, outside the Darren Sammy Cricket Ground in Bossejou, no community can boast about having such a superb playing field.
Members of the Canaries community, when we opened the bridge some time ago, it was said that we had the best bridge in Saint Lucia. Well, I want to make a pronouncement today about this field, that not only do we have the best bridge, but we also have the best community playing field in Saint Lucia. There were a lot of grumblings about, let's open the field, let's open the field. But I hope you can understand now that one of the things about our government is that when we open something, we want to open it well.
He says work will continue to ensure the youth have the best playing facilities.
Because Canaries also happens to have the best netball team in Saint Lucia. And so what we must do is make sure that this court, standing adjacent to the field, is up to the standards of their performance. And we're going to make sure that this year, that we will give adequate attention to the court to make sure that the champion netball team receives world-class facilities, just as the footballers have done.
Deputy Chairman of the Canaries Constituency Council, Andre Lancico, says they needed to ensure that the field was delivered at a standard everyone could be proud of.
I wish to implore our people, because one thing that we have realized is that once we get our playing field, we get it at the top of where it's supposed to be, and the very next day we start deteriorating. So we, between ourselves, the council and the minister, we will put together a program, and I wish from now to implore the young people that there will be times when we'll have to take a break in order to allow the grass to rejuvenate. There will be times when we'll have to give special treatment to the grass. So we will be calling on you from time to time to be patient, because I know the amount of risks that some of us took when we said that, look, we have to allow the people to do their work and ensure that what has to be done is done, to ensure that we have a facility that we all can be proud of.
Prime Minister Honorable Alan Chasney says the Canaries playing field is just the beginning of the government's plans.
Now here's what my government is going to do. The lottery, as we know it, will be transformed. So the regulatory part of the lottery will be moving into the gaming authority. And we're in the process now of establishing a youth and sports authority. So the money that we're getting from the lottery will now go into the youth and sports authority. And the youth and sports authority, which collects around $7 million a year, will be going to the private sector to ask the private sector to join us and to match money. And that we want to use that money now to be able to pay for the uniforms, pay for the balls, pay for the equipment, pay for the training, pay some money towards the coaches, pay for the lights. But the program of running all these sports, the financial support will come from the government.
Honorable Chasney says the last piece of the puzzle to put sports on the map in Saint Lucia is the conversion of the Grosley Secondary School to a sports academy.
But we're converting the Grosley Secondary School into the National Sports Academy. And we're actually in the process of building dormitories at the school. So our top team athletes will go to that school, where in the morning they focus on the academia, and then in the afternoon they're going to focus on sports. In that academy, in addition to coaches, we will also have therapists, nutritionists, and psychologists. And the team of those coaches will now be the team that's going to teach all the other coaches in the communities. Because a coach in Canaries has to be everything. He has to be the coach of football. He has to be the fitness coach. He has to be the psychologist. He has to be the nutritionist. But we want to make sure that he is being provided with the most up-to-date information and ability when it comes to coaching.
He says sports and the arts are the window to the world. He believes athletes at the university level are better recognized in the workforce. Liz Andy Boville, HTS News Force.